Is a chest drain insertion during an esophageal atresia repair an evidence-based practice or just a prejudice? Hi, I'm Cecilia Gigena from Cincinnati Children's Hospital, and I think this is an article that you should know about. This is a systematic review plus meta-analysis done by pediatric surgeons in India. After the review, they ended up selecting 6 papers with a total of 498 neonates. They divided them into groups, Group A with chest drain and Group B without chest drain, and they compared their outcomes. And what did they find? They found that there were no significant difference in the occurrence of an anastomotic leak or a pneumothorax. There were also no significant difference in the mortality rate or the requirements of the new chest drain. Also, they found that Group A had a higher rate of revisits to the OR. So it seems like the chest drain is not as good as we thought. Check back for more articles that you should know about.